Hello and welcome to our REA tutorial. My name is Sigrid Liebler and today I will show you how to perform a calibration with REA VeriCube. For calibration of VeriCube, we need the calibration card with the reference data matrix codes. The software is started and VeriCube is ready for operation. We start the calibration with Configure Calibrate device. The calibration and adjustment status is displayed. With Next, we can see the serial number of the selected calibration card with the stored data. Please check that the serial number is the same like printed on the label of the calibration card. Then we click Next. Now we check that the calibration card and the glass pane are clean. Then we position the data matrix symbol that is marked in TransWin. In our case, it is the big symbol denom 0.75 for our camera module with focal length 8 mm. We move the symbol into the center parallel to the axis with the black blade on top of the calibration card. We start the calibration with OK. A calibration report is automatically generated that shows clearly the result pass or fail in the header. And in the following the individual calibrated parameters for red and for white light source. The calibration report can be exported to PDF. Only the latest calibration report is stored in the software itself. If calibration has failed, please clean the glass pane, the mirror in the interior of the VeriCube and the lens of the camera module. Check that the calibration card is clean. Then a complete adjustment and calibration should be performed again. If it will still fail, please contact REA. We have just seen how quick and easy it is to calibrate VeriCube. For adjustment and calibration, please watch our additional tutorial. If you have any questions, please find our contact details below. Until next time, yours Sigrid Liebler.